Good Sunday morning, everyone. I hope you're staying warm out there. It's a chilly morning, so stay warm and cozy. Looking at our daily weather map for today, we see snowflakes are flying across portions of the northern U.S., pretty much all the way across the Canadian border from one way or the other, and got lake effect snow across the Great Lakes and some of the other lake regions. And then we see a disturbance in the southern plains, kicking off some rain and snow mix and some showers across portions of Texas where it's warmer. So not too busy of a day weather-wise. Looking at our 5-day forecast, we're looking pretty benign too. It's the winds will be calmer today. That is going to make today's temperature feel much better than yesterday's did, even though we're still going to be chilly. We're actually going to be a little chillier today than we were yesterday, but we don't have the wind, so it's going to feel a little bit better. And then on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, it's going to be a struggle to see much sunshine at all. We've just got too much going on in the atmosphere. Too much mixing and mingling, and changes are coming, and so clouds like to hang around this time of the year. I do have some snow flurries still on there for Monday night. That's still not looking like a big deal at all, so don't worry about that. Just know that you might see some flakes flying around. As we get into Wednesday, temperatures warm into the mid-40s. I had thought we might get into the upper 40s, and we still might, but I think clouds may move in a little early and block out enough sun to keep us kind of chilly. Wednesday night, temperatures will drop to around 33, but they will rise through the night ahead of the storm system that will arrive on Thursday. So Thursday's precip is looking all liquid during the day. But you see that big white arrow there. Like I said last night, we're still working on timing of the Arctic front. Last night I said around sunset, give or take a few hours. Tonight or this morning, if I were to make a forecast, I would say it would probably be coming in after sunset, closer to midnight. So I'll keep an eye on that. We'll see how that changes as we get closer to Thursday. Like I said, timing Arctic front is a bit complicated, but we do need to be mindful of when that comes through, because when it comes through, the precipitation is going to immediately change to wintry precipitation, and then it's going to change to some light snow for Thursday night. So I've got a 60% chance of light snow on there. And I do want to say that the reason why we need to be so mindful of when this Arctic front comes through is because roads could become hazardous very quickly once that front pushes through, because the water on the roads from the rain on Thursday, and we may get about a ½ inch of rain. So any water on the roads is going to freeze pretty quickly. And then with snowflakes falling, roads could become very slick. You could get a thin glaze of ice on them in no time. So we need to be very mindful of that. And that is something I will monitor very, 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 very closely. Looking at our daily hazards for the next week, it's cold today, but then I'm giving you a thumbs up. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the calm before the storm, right? Thursday, we're watching out for wet roads. And then Thursday night, at some point, we're going to be watching out for slick roads. So as the water from the rain on Thursday freezes on the roads, and then what snowflakes fall accumulate, then we'll be watching for some very slick roads. And I will say that snowfall amounts are holding true at about 1 to 2 inches still yet with this morning's model data with this system, so still no big changes there. On this day in 1916, Nashville records its greatest one-day snowfall total, measuring 6 inches of snow. 1989, a big winter storm moved out of the Gulf, one of those Gulf lows, so we always are mindful of those. Freezing rain and sleet spread across the southeast, 120 car accidents in Memphis. Oh my goodness. Unseasonably warm weather ahead of the Arctic front, though. Miami, Florida, hit 87 degrees that day. In 1958, Project SCORE, the world's first communications satellite, was launched from Cape Canaveral, thrusting us into a whole new era of communications. You folks have a wonderful Sunday and keep looking up. I'll do another update this evening to update you on the latest with the cold that's coming and with the latest in the snowfall forecast. Again, right now it's looking like about 1 to 2 inches of snow Thursday night into Friday, and that's going to hang around till Christmas. So our white Christmas will be dependent upon what happens Thursday night into Friday. Christmas weekend is looking pretty good. May have a few snow flurries here and there, but no accumulating snowfall of any significance. So I'll give you an update again this evening, so stay tuned right here to meteorologistmark.com.